My name is Mel Money, or you can call me Money Mel, or you can just call me Melanie. And we are going to be talking about the toy that I got for Christmas. So, we are going to be starting off. What should we be starting off with? These tools. So, we use this to scoop up the stuff that we need to scoop. Like if the burrito, whatever in the burrito, if it falls out, then we pick it up, make it again, and there you go. And this is for the pizza. When you cut the pizza, there you go. And then I don't know what this is for, but it just came with it. I think it's like a little drain. But it won't fit in the sink. So we are going to be starting off with the ice cream. So chocolate ice cream, pink ice cream, strawberry ice cream, chocolate. So we are going to be talking about the ice cream. So we have chocolate ice cream, strawberry ice cream, and strawberry ice cream. And this is the tray to put the ice cream in. We don't have a little freezer, so we're just pretending that one of the things are a freezer. That's that. This is that. So this is the pepper. I don't know why there's two peppers. It says 2 peas. So these are the peppers. So if you want something to be really spicy and hot, you can put it on there, like that, and like that, and like that, like that. So here we have the guacamole. It's like in a little jar. And this is your mustard, your mayo or mayonnaise, and your ketchup. Or it could be spicy hot spice. Here we have the fruits, the fries, and the drinks. So we're going to be starting off with the drinks first. Water, water, water. This could be Coke or Sprite. Coke or Sprite. I don't know what this is. I don't know why it's yellow, but it could be like honey in a bottle or like something. I don't know. Maybe it could be soda. There's supposed to be 3 of each, but there's 2 and then 2, but there's 3 water bottles. Do you get it? I don't know. Comment below if you know that. Okay, these are the fruits. You have to eat your greens. You don't like them, but I know you don't like eating your greens, but you have to. Your greens. And then this is our bowl. This is our pineapple, a yummy pineapple. Looks like SpongeBob's house, huh? And here we have another bowl and a tomato, and this might be a green apple. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's mashed potato, an onion, and we have a cut it in half. Cut it half. What do you call this again? I forgot. Avocado. Oh yeah, I forgot for a second. It was an avocado. So it's an avocado cut in half. You can put it together. Let's put our ingredients back in. We have bananas. You have to eat your yellows. Just kidding. So, and we have the bowl. And the bananas. I don't know why the stem is not brown. Here we have our fryer with our fries inside. And we have our little bowls to put your fries in. So if you're hungry and you want fries, here you are in a bowl. Oh my gosh. Why did they fall out? First they were so good, now they're so bad. My mom said that she wanted to put music, but we didn't end up with any music. She's like,
sorry.
She says sorry, like sorry, like that. And we have the pot. Nothing inside. But there's kind of glitter inside, I don't know why. Everything ends up with glitter inside.
Glitter gets messy.
Glitter gets messy. So we're gonna go with the pizzas. 1 pizza, 2 pizza, 3 pizza. Let's put the pizzas to the side. And this is the pizza bowl.
Yay.
Pizza tray.
We love pizza.
You don't like... Have you guys ever ate pizza with ketchup? No way. Nobody likes that. My sister, one time she wanted it, but my dad's like, no way. And then
Some
we have
people like ketchup with pizza.
Nobody likes ketchup with pizza.
Pizza with their ketchup.
Comment below if you like ketchup with pizza. Or if you don't like ranch. I hate ranch. This is the burrito bowl. 2 burritos. I don't know what's inside. Could be a bean burrito, like you get from Taco Bell. Right? There's bean burritos. A blue tray. And then we have a hot dog on a tray. It has some mustard and a weenie inside. And same thing, but this time pink tray. We have some tacos.
What was that?
What?
Okay.
And then we have a beige. The beige tray. We're gonna be talking about the front of the car first. So, this is the menu. I'm gonna read the menu. Menu. Pizza slice. Burritos, burgers, sandwiches, tacos, hot dogs, fresh veggies, ice cream, fresh fruits, 100% organic. And here we have, it says, honey suckle or suckle, sucker, suckle, honeysuckle sweets and treats. Order here, right here. And you get your food on the other side. So that's the front, and then we have, I don't know what this is for. Comment below if you know what this is for.
Those are little chairs, baby. Yeah, you can sit there when you eat.
Oh yeah, they're kind of chairs.
Or they can be used as a little table. What?
There's no chairs to that.
Okay. Sorry.
And we're done talking about with the ingredients. So we're gonna put the ingredients to the side. Over here.
I think it's time to move to the other side of the truck.
We are going to move to the other side of the truck. So fryer right here, grill, sink, and we have it's for pots, and then we have the oven over here, and then some drawers they can store food in, but nothing really fits in there, only tacos and burritos. And we have cheese, those could be fries, greens, potatoes or tomatoes. Yeah, they're tomatoes. This is ham, maybe ketchup.
You gotta let the people see.
Olives, mushrooms.
That looks like tomatoes.
But that's tomatoes. Tomato. Maybe this is tomato. This is tomato.
We'll go with that.
This is maybe salad, and this is our like mac and cheese or something.
Yep.
And then we have where you can place your food. And we are going to be talking about the front right here. Right here. The chair, the wheel.
You gotta open the door so they can see.
What door? Oh. We have this chair, this orange chair, this wheel, and we have, I don't know what this is. Comment below if you know.
A little compartment, maybe?
Maybe it's a little compartment. Looks like a little oven, but we already have an oven. And we are going to be putting the ingredients inside here. So where does this go? In the fryer. Because the fries needs to be in a fryer. Do you get it? Ha 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 ha. Nobody really gets it. Fresh fruit. Fresh fruit. Fresh fruit. Fresh fruit. Let's put the fresh fruit over here. I always say Ovi. I always say Ovi. I don't know, but I have to say over, not Ovi. I would say Ovi here. Oh, I have to say over here, not Ovi. Ovi here. Comment below if you say Ovi all the time, but you don't notice. I always notice if I say no Ovi. She's like, what? Why do you say Ovi? It broke, but it's easy to fix, so. Ah, no, it's impossible. Just kidding. Patches. He likes crying. I said criming. Over here. Oh. Where's Patches' collar? Yeah, we're never gonna get that back. So I don't know where the fries go. Or just put the fries on top of the truck.
Oh yeah.
Just kidding. Put them right here.
Order up.
Order up. You get your order over here. Oh. I said Ovi again. I have to say over, not Ovi.
That's okay.
Let me try to say Ovi again. Let me see if I can say Ovi. I always say Ovi. Tacos. Trays. Tacos and trays go down here. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Comment below if you love burgers because you can get this shirt for $1. Just kidding. I don't know where I got it.
You're such a dork, baby.
Video. Peppers, peppers. Oh. Peppers, peppers. Who hates pepper? Who hates pepper? Who hates pepper? My mom, she's really funny. She never wants to be in any videos. I want my friend to be in one of my videos, but she can't because she can't come to my house. I have to come to hers house. I said hers. Her house. Her toys are so hers. I don't know why I like saying hers, Ovi. So yeah, that's the end of our video. If you would like my channel, then subscribe, watch every single video. But this is my first video, so you only can watch this video. Make sure to like. If you don't like it, just hit the thumbs down one. But everybody would like my video. And there we have it. Over.